The shared read you read this week, Finding Cal, is a fictional story. Fiction has made-up characters and events. It has a beginning, middle, and end. Find text evidence. I can use what I read to tell that Finding Cal is fiction. The story has a beginning, middle, and end. Story structure. In the beginning of the story, I read that a family decides to adopt a dog. Think about what happens in the middle of the story. Think about what happens at the end of the story. Now let's learn a very useful skill, a vocabulary strategy called context clues. To understand the meaning of a word you do not know, look at the other words in the sentence for clues. Let's start by taking a look at the feature box, and let's read the text. Cal was nervous, so I tried to make him feel better. Notice the word nervous. I'm not sure what the word nervous means. The words make him feel better make me think Cal was not relaxed. I think nervous means not relaxed. Let's take a look at the first paragraph on this page. Dad said, "I see a real connection between you and Cal." I agreed. We already had a good relationship. Let's try to determine what the word connection means by using our context clues. Remember, when I use context clues to determine the meaning of a word, I look at the words in front of it or even the words behind it. It's important that I read the entire sentence again so I can really understand what it means. In this sentence, I think the word connection means relationship. Cal and the dog had a good connection. They had a good relationship. That's using our context clues to determine the meaning of a word. In your next assignment, you will look at examples of context clues. You'll read each sentence and then circle the meaning of the word in bold print that makes sense. And then you'll underline the context clues. I realize you might have trouble actually circling it in the text, so instead you can use your highlighting tool and just highlight that section. Good luck!